In this video, we will show you how to use notes, notifications, and reminders all in the same instance on files and folders to improve your workflow and to interact with other users in your work environment. When we look at the folder hierarchy, you will see green squares alongside some of the folders. They indicate there is a note on this folder. A lot of our clients use the lead folder like Adams S to put all their daybook entries in. But you can put notes in any of the other folders, and as you can see by clicking on the green icon in the burglary folder, the note will open to display its content. Click on the close button and now go back to Mr. Adams' main folder. Click on the notes icon. This will bring up all the notes that have been added to the client's files and folders. By scrolling down, you are able to open and view any note. And as you scroll down, you will notice that the beginning or full text for that note is displayed in the panel below. By clicking on the column headings, you can resort the notes. For example, you may want to see all the notes made by a particular user. We will now close the Create Diary Entry panel and go to a folder where we will create a note on a file by right-clicking on the file and selecting Add a Note. When the Create Diary panel opens, go to the Memo text field and type in your note. There are no limitations to the size of any note. However, when creating notes, it is advisable to make them clear and concise. Click on Add a Note to enter it into the file where it is logged with its name, the memo text, who it was created by, and the creation date. When you are working on a note and want to bring it to the attention of one of your co-workers, click on Notify Others. This will bring up a new notification panel. Select the co-worker from the drop-down list, click the Add button, then type your message into the memo text field. For example, please look at this next Friday. Click the Save button to close the panel. Now what happens is it goes to the co-worker and a little box will come up on their screen notifying them of the message. They can then click on the hyperlink to bring up the file. They also get a reminder on their reminder list of this notification, and they will have to either forward it, change it, or dismiss it. Now while we're on this file, we can go in and create a reminder of our own. Let's say, must call back Friday. Set the start date, the end date, and in particular, the date we wish to be reminded on. Let's say the 24th. When we click to save it, then it goes to our reminder list in the diary area. And now we will close this panel. We have added a note to this file, notified the co-worker, and put on all three, creating a general workflow item. With the upgrade to version 7 of Organise, a reminder icon was added alongside files that have a reminder associated with it. When you now go to your diary, you will see all your tasks will have a reminder icon attached. Now let's go up to the Explorer icon and refresh our tree. By going to the diary area, you can manage all your notes, reminders, notifications, and tasks. When we go to the diary, it will go straight to the reminders section, where it will show you all the reminders you have active at the moment. At the bottom of the list, you will see the reminder we have just added. We can open it and make changes to dates, add to the notes, etc. So the Reminders button enables you to manage all your reminders. As you can see, you can also access your notes from the diary panel. If you click on the Notes button, you will see the note you just added to Mr. Adams' file, plus all the other notes you have added displayed in date order from the latest one added to the oldest one added. Please note, by clicking on the Creation Date label, you can resort the list to the oldest or latest, and or to select a date range of notes you would like to peruse. Under the full name path header, you have hyperlinks to take you straight to the file that contains your note. So by coming into the diary area, I can see all my notes, notifications, reminders and tasks together with any actions taken by any other co-worker. In the notes area, we can also type in the client name, for example, Adams, allowing you to instantly see all the notes relating to Mr. Adams, where you can now locate any particular notes that you want. You may also want to produce a report for all of Mr. Adams' notes by clicking on the Excel icon. This will bring up a Windows panel prompting for a file name for saving the CSV file that is generated. Then from within Excel you can manipulate the data to produce the desired report. Now return to the diary screen and take out Adams to refresh the list and bring up all your notes again. Now click on this button to bring up all your notifications. As you can see here, we have notification alongside these tasks and these notes. When you go to the hyperlink for each, you can go straight to the file. It is on to review or amend the notification. Likewise, when Hatch gets this notification, he can go straight to the file. We covered reminders earlier, and tasks have been covered extensively in other training modules. However, please remember that when you create a task, reminders are automatically created. Organise has been very carefully designed to maximise your workflow with instant access to notes, notifications, reminders and tasks, enabling you to manage everything in one area.